Well, Beanie's here enjoying oatmeal and flaxseed on my leg. He says hello. Hi, everybody. Hi, everyone. He's having fun, aren't you? Oh, you cutie. Look at him. He's just so cute. Yeah, cutie. Beanie. He looks really cute, like aiming at the camera this way. You having fun? He's listening to the noises outside. And he just looks real funny. Cute, very cute. Okay, everyone, Beanie and I really love you. And we thank you all for subscribing. If you haven't, please subscribe and share our channel. That would be wonderful. And have a great day and evening. Bye-bye.